Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matthew here at Barn Fresh Classics in Biddeford, Maine. You can check us out online at barnfreshclassics.com, see all the inventory we have to offer, see a bunch more photos of this car. You can also check us out on Facebook at Barn Fresh Classics LLC. Facebook is the best way to see our updated inventory, as we do post everything there first. As soon as we get something in, we do post a picture of it. It's a good way to get dibs on the cars, as they do typically sell in about 3 days. Today I have a very, very beautiful and rare 1970 Mercury Cyclone spoiler, born originally as a 429 Cobra jet car, factory 4-speed. Only about 1,600 of these cars were produced so that they could compete in NASCAR. And this car right here is one out of 800-ish that came with the 429 Cobra jet and the factory 4-speed. Really, really rare, really beautiful car. Do have the original Ford invoicing, dealer invoicing, as well as Marty report, window sticker, and door tag. But geez, when are you going to see another one of these cars? It's done in its original color, competition blue. Body is in beautiful condition. No rust issues, no blisters, nothing like that. Super straight, no Bondo. It's a metal car. Really, really cool car. Such a unique beak. Again, this is one of 800 produced. It did have a lot of options. I mean, it had console, intermittent wipers, the Ford style wheels, rear speakers, which I'll show you the Ford invoicing here in a second. I have it right over here. Look at that though, nice and straight. It's a 3-owner car. Came out of a collection it's been in the collection for the past 20 years. We got the car. And believe it or not, this paint and body was done over 20 years ago. So it's held up very well. It's been inside in the collection. The interior is actually all original, and we kept it that way. So it does have some cracks and some wear, but it is an original interior, which I'll go over and show you. Let me show you all the invoicing here. So here is the original invoicing. As you can see, it had the higher ratio rear axle, the 350 rear, the tires, console, power front disc brakes, power steering, AM radio, interval windshield wipers, dual rear seat speakers, and stout steel wheels. And it was an expensive car for back in the day. And then we have the window sticker here, $41.77. That's expensive. Have the Marty report there, which you can see here. It's one of 865 with that 429 Cobra jet and the factory 4-speed. You can see here, 429 Cobra jet. And then we have the door sticker too there. Now, unfortunately, the original 429 Cobra jet motor is not in the car. It does have a period correct 429 in it, but the factory 4-speed and the rear end are all numbers matching, so it's original to the car. Again, the car is absolutely beautiful. The body, the underneath, the trunk, very, very nice. Rock solid, no rust issues. Really unique car, really unique. Again, this is a collector's item. You just don't see these cars. There's not many for sale. You might be able to find one, maybe two. And we have one sitting right here at the shop. Again, we're not consignment dealers. Everything you see here we do buy with our own money. We go out, we take a look at the cars, we buy them, we bring them back, and we go through them, make sure they're all set, maybe return some stuff back to factory, and then we put them back up for sale. What a beautiful car. This thing runs and drives absolutely beautifully, and it is a rocket. It moves, floats down the road nice. It's not a rattle box. Really, really, really nice car. Engine bay sanitary, trunk's very clean. All the glass, very, very nice. Very, very nice. No scratches, nothing like that. Again, paint, you know, there's a stone chip here and there, but nothing major. The hood looks beautiful. I mean, the roof looks beautiful. Really nice rear car. So let me show you the interior. Again, interior is 100% original, guys, okay? So it does show its age. It's white on top of that. You can see the little rip there. You know, the discoloration there. You know, the seat upholstery's in good shape. Like I said, it's got discoloration, but there's no major rips or anything like that to the upholstery. The headliner, coming apart, some of the seams there. You know, there's discoloration, which we're gonna try cleaning that a little bit more for you guys, so that might be looking a little bit better when you guys get it. Again, the dash is original. You can't buy these dashes. So you can see the original dash is cracked. You got the driver side looking instrument gauges, which all do work, including the tack. You know, got the original console, everything. Even the ring blow steering wheel works. Speedo all works, gas gauge, all that stuff works. Really cool. Even the mirror is original, you know, pretty showing its age. But again, we didn't want to touch anything in here due to the rarity of the car, and just because, you know, we just wanted to leave it as it is. It's got the charm, it's got character to it, you know, and for how old it is and the color of the interior, which is what it originally came with, the white knit high back seats. It's very, very good. Very, very good. I'll fire it up here for you guys. It's pretty cold out here. Runs beautifully. It's got a great sound to it. Even the e-brake works. Again, just an absolute blast to drive. I've driven this around a little bit. Absolute blast to drive. You can see it's got some rip back there. Again, all original interior, all original. Now you could restore it if you want. Me personally, I kind of leave it as it is. You know, the body was done over about, like I said, 20 years ago. And it just, listen to that sound. It sounds like Saturday Night at the Drag. I mean, it's awesome. It's a great sound. 429 is absolute beast. Now when these cars come up for sale, they are usually over 50K. You usually can't find them, but when you do see them, they're usually over $50,000. We are coming in at about half that. And again, this is a car that you can add to your collection, and I'm telling you, nobody else is going to have one, that's for sure. Nobody else is going to have one. You see it's nice and straight, no waves. It's got beautiful paint and body, it really is. Really beautiful. Underneath, it's rock solid, looks super clean underneath. Wherever you see this video, we'll have pictures of it up on the lift, so you can get a good look at what it looks like underneath. But it really is a beautiful car, guys. It really is. Really a beautiful car. Love the spoiler too. Now, if you need anything else, if you want some specific videos, specific photos, give me a call. 207-400-5326. I'll get whatever you need. You know, if you want specific video, if you want some more pictures on the lift, whatever you want, I'm here to help you make an informed purchase. So, 95% of our cars are sold sight unseen. We're very honest about what we list. So it really is just a really nice car, guys. Really nice. Ready to go. I mean, it's ready for you just to have delivered to your door and enjoy it. We do have the hookup on shipping, so we can help you out with that. You know, very reliable, very quick, get it right to your door, no problem. We get you a quote. So if you need any help with that, you know, just give me a call. Definitely help you out with that. Again, guys, only 1,600 of these cars were produced in 1970. They were produced so they could race in the NASCAR circuit. This is one out of 800-ish that came with the 429 Cobra jet and the factory 4-speed. Again, done in its original color, competition blue, which is a gorgeous color. Just a real honest car, guys. Straight, no rust, ready to go. Beautiful, beautiful car. Look at the hood. Real nice. Again, guys, if you've got any questions at all, you want more information, or you want more video, or more pictures, give me a call, 207-400-5326. That's right to my cell phone. My name is Matthew. I always pick up. Give me a call. We can help you make an informed decision. 1970 Mercury Cyclone spoiler, 429 Cobra jet car, factory 4-speed. Doesn't get cooler than this. Very, very rare find here, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity, because honestly, you'll never get that opportunity again. I can guarantee it. All right, guys, take care. Bye.